Guys, LT Fishing 26 here. Today we're going to be doing a live bait challenge. So we're going to catch a bluegill and then put it on a hook for a big bass or a catfish. Today for my bluegill rig up, I will just be using one of these little tiny bobber stoppers. And you just put it right through that hole right there, and then you pull the bobber stopper straight up, and then it's on the line. So I'm going to put that up, and then next I'm going to get one of these real small bobbers and then just thread that through to the hook, to the top, all the way down. There you go. Oh, dropped it. I gotta redo that. So put it through the bobber. Then some line out here. And then we're gonna get a weight here. We're gonna go with there we go. This little one right here. A little split shot right there. Put that about six inches above the bottom of the bobber, or from the bottom of the line. And bite it down. And then I'm going to be using a size 6 eagle claw hook. I like to use these a little better just because it sets the hook. Still, it's a little bit better to set the hook. So, and for this knot, I'll be tying a clinch knot. It's basically what I use for everything because it works really well. And this is my rig here. And then I'm going to put the bobber stopper about a foot up. And then we got a worm here. And then catch you guys here in a sec. The rig up here. I'm just going to cast it out. Just like that. And we got, oh, I missed him. Forgot my mount, like my phone holder, so we're gonna have to be like doing like this, on the video like this. Cast back out there. Out there. And you catch guys when we catch a hook on a fish. 10 seconds later, got our first little bluegill here. And we're gonna get him off the hook here. And get him right off the hook. Perfectly set to this corner of the mouth. And then I'm gonna grab my other pole. Just like this. And for this setup, nothing too fancy here. I can get this stupid hook out. There we go. I just got a big bobber here. About 2 split shots with a bobber stopper. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna get a different camera angle here. Hey guys, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take the bluegill, like here, okay? And I'm gonna go right up here, right up next to the first spine. Right there. Not too far up, not too far down. Right through it, and make sure you clear off the scales. Because if you don't clear off the scales, the hook set will be bad, and then you'll most likely lose the fish. Bluegill here, we're gonna cast him right on out, right next to that aerator over there. Let's see if we can catch a big bass or a catfish. Alright guys, we got our first fish today. On a live bluegill. About 5 minutes later, it's bass, largemouth. I have a net, so I'm gonna have to grab a little right on up. There we go. first fish of the day. Well, other than the bluegill, but you know. Well, pound and a half. Not bad. And we'll catch you guys in a sec when we get him unhooked. So here's the bass, little guy right here. And there's the bluegill he just spit out. Pound and a half, probably pound and a half bass here. Let's hit the release on him. Like and subscribe. Guys, I got the dead bluegill here. I threw the head on there. It's out there towards the middle out there. And then on this pole here, I'll throw it in. There it goes. This pole here, I got this little tube type thing. It looks like a fish. And then while I'm here, I might as well show you my combos. I got the Lew's American Hero. It's about 45, 50 bucks. Really good all-around pole. You can use for crappie because of the ultra sensitivity on the end. And then on this one, I got the Lew's Mach 2 combo. It's a 7-foot per hour. Is medium heavy. Usually use 10 to 20 pound line on this. I prefer 12. I use this thing for a lot of things, bass and catfish mostly. But anyways, I'll catch you guys when I get a fish. It's been probably about 45 minutes here without a single bite. Well, actually, I got one little tiny nibble, but too small for the bait. But we're gonna go catch some frogs. And what I'm gonna be using for frogs is just a little jig head right here with a green little body type thing. See if we can catch a fish. Or not a fish, a frog. This is kind of first frog here. Let's see if we can get him. Darn it, missed him. I still see him though. Where'd he go? He's in the grass. I don't see him though. Try to see if we can find a new one. Frog right there. See if we can get him. Oh, he's back. Missed it. He has it. Got him. Big old bullfrog. Holy cow. Look how big he is. Oh gosh. Well, hey. Got him. Big old bullfrog. That. It's probably not my biggest bullfrog I've ever caught. Probably one of them though. Very territorial. They're territorial. That's why they go for anything that goes in their area. You probably throw anything and they'll try to attack it. Look how big those legs are. You can probably eat those. Anyways, let's put them back. There he goes. See if we can catch some more. Frog here. Got him. Walk him over here so he can't get away. Oh, it almost got me. I got hooked slightly. Alright, I'll get you guys in a second when I get him off the second bullfrog off the hook. Put him back in the water. Oh, he jumped. There he goes. Should I catch another? Another big bullfrog here. Not interested, it looks like. Tried to snag him, but didn't work. We'll come back then. See if we can find another one. Got another frog here. I wasn't really expecting him to eat it, so I didn't really film it. So I guess, yeah, we got another one. Let him go. There he goes. I'll go right there. I'm gonna try to grab him. Dang it. Missed him. Oh, it was worth a try.